All right, welcome back to Getting Sober, again, YouTube's friendliest community for no judgment sobriety. My name is Jay, and in today's 5-minute sobriety, we have the big list of supplements for sobriety to help you in your sobriety recovery. We won't have time to go into detail of all of the supplements, but the link for the full list is in the video description down below. First and foremost, I am not a medical professional, and this is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before taking any supplements or medications. We selected the supplements on the list based on 2 criteria. First is that all of the supplements on the list are verified by either the USP, NSF, or GMP. And secondly is that they're all affordable or the lowest price that we could possibly find for you. All right, let's get started. We know that chronic alcohol patients are frequently deficient in 1 or more vitamins. The deficiencies commonly involve vitamins A, B, C, and D. People suffering from alcohol use disorder typically aren't getting the proper nutrition through their diet. And although an adequate dietary intake is a major cause of vitamin deficiencies, other possibilities may also be involved. Starting first with vitamin A, we know that chronic alcohol consumption has a dramatic effect on the way the body handles vitamin A. Long-term drinking lowers vitamin A levels in the liver, which is the main site of alcohol breakdown and vitamin A storage, while raising vitamin A levels in many other tissues. Vitamin B. Vitamin B12 plays an important role on the production of brain chemicals that affect our mood and many other crucial brain functions. Low levels of vitamin B12 and B6 have been linked to depression. Drinking alcohol regularly for more than 2 weeks decreases vitamin B12 absorption from the gastrointestinal tract. B vitamins get severely depleted by alcohol use. The brain and nervous system cannot function properly without B vitamins. How many B vitamins are there? There are 8 B vitamins, which are B1, which is thiamine, B2, which is riboflavin, B3, which is niacin, B5, which is pantothenic acid, B6, which is pyridoxine, B7, which is biotin, and B9 is folate, but B12 is folic acid. B vitamins are a group of essential nutrients that play roles in many organs and bodily systems. Although they can work together in the body, they also carry out their own unique functions. Moving on to vitamin C. Consuming 3 to 4 units of alcohol may increase the excretion of vitamin C as much as 47% compared with not drinking any alcohol. Studies even suggest that vitamin C protects against the toxic effects of acetaldehyde, which is a metabolic waste product that is produced during the breakdown of ethanol, with ethanol being the main intoxicating ingredient of alcoholic beverages. Moving on to vitamin D. Alcohol consumption lowers vitamin D levels in the body. Lower vitamin D levels can affect serotonin production, and low levels of serotonin can cause depression. Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency can include muscle weakness, pain, fatigue, and depression. To get enough vitamin D, look to certain foods, supplements, and carefully planned sunlight. Remember, not all supplements are created equal. We've made sure that the supplements that we've suggested are tested, verified, and certified by either the USP, NSF, or GMP to ensure that you're getting the best quality product for the most affordable value. Remember to check out the video description down below for the full list of supplements, and also check out our blog on our website for the full list in detail to see how alcohol use affects each vitamin and supplement individually. And with that, I want to wish you good luck on your sobriety journey, and I will see you in the next video.